Now thus begins the spec bio part of this series. This video will cover abiogenesis and the general tree of life. During the Eocapurian eon, both abiogenesis events happened. The GNA-based life, which I will call the Senet-Mott branch, evolved first, but the TNA branch, which I will call Senet-Met, evolved shortly after, about 5 million years. Because DNA is quite rigid, it can't afford much complexity beyond prokaryotes. However, also because it's rigid, it is completely dominant in extremophile dishes, other than the cold ones. It kinda sucks there as the genetic material literally locks up. For those without context, GNA is glycol nucleic acid and TNA is threose nucleic acid. Chemistry is complicated, but in short, glycol has 3 carbons and threose has 4 carbons. The less carbons, the more stable it is. Ribose is a hard material for this reason. Not only is it hard to produce in the primordial seas, but it is also relatively unstable. Life had to get rid of the oxygen for genetic material at some point for that reason. Within the Senet-Met branch, the Wahed branch is prokaryotic and isn't that complex and won't be detailed at all, unlike my wishes, because the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, in net, the eukaryotic branch is detailed significantly. The Venom Jess branch is autotrophic. It is split between the Waja and Wajimnet branches, which are macroscopic plants and algae respectively. Again, because of the stupid algorithm, I won't detail the Vajiminet clade beyond the fact that they are everywhere in water, especially the surface. However, the Waja clade will be detailed as they are, again, macroscopic. On the heterotrophic side of the fence, I have the Unquenemki and the Ketwenemki clades, which are animals and are protozoa equivalents respectively. As with literally every clade microscopic, I won't bother to detail the Ketwin key because of the algorithm. The Anquin key, on the other hand, will be detailed and will be the primary focus. In future episodes, we'll cover the evolution of animals and plants, starting from the Paracetian explosion. Yes, I called the event that kick-started the same name period that. My visuals will mostly be basic sketches as I don't want to get the Blender until I have my desktop PC obtained. So do not be confused if you see that. Anyways, that is all, and bye.